This was the slowest penalty Lionel Messi ever took in the history of the World Cup. Even before Messi reached the penalty spot, the Dutch goalkeeper had already started causing problems. At first, Messi was going to pick up the ball, but the goalkeeper got there first. From Messi's reaction, it was clear that the keeper had deliberately thrown the ball on the ground. Messi looked slightly annoyed and touched his mouth. Messi was the first shooter for Argentina in the penalty shootout, under enormous pressure. If he had missed, it could have triggered a chain reaction for his team. At that moment, the opposing goalkeeper tried to distract him by waving his hands, but the maestro did not panic. Messi began his run-up very slowly, unlike many players who sprint forward and strike the ball with power. He moved toward the ball calmly, and at the moment he lifted his leg to shoot, the goalkeeper had already dived to his right. So Messi placed the ball on the opposite side, and that's how he reassured his teammates and gave them confidence as their captain.